Take a ride in the 2024 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, LED headlights, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, remote engine start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.